Okay, now we got all the poles through the yellow thing.
Crazy person has to go in the
So
middle.
now crazy person has to go in the middle. Oh, the crazy people are jumping out of the woodwork. Okay, now has to go into the tent and pick it up. Preferably somebody taller.
Like Mom.
That's okay. And then all we do is we take the end of the poles, which is right there, and we hook it up to that thing. Okay, just go in. Don't fight. Just go.
Go.
Okay, there you go. Like that. But don't break it. Just like that. Okay. There you go. Good. And the person inside is just standing up. And then Melissa's got this hooked up. We don't do that yet. No, don't do that yet. Hook them all up first.
Mom,
Just hang on to it. Don't worry, you're doing good.
I can't reach it
Don't worry about it.
That's why I wanted to.
Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's fine, Jamie. There you go. There it goes. And now it's raised. And then we need to do the two skinny poles on the side. And that goes
Where does this one go?
through the little blue things right here, Mel. Right here. There she is. That's the skinny short one. Shorter one. Right? Okay. There it is. Then you stick it in one of those pins. There it is. Very good. Then she, oops, and she almost kills herself. Jamie, can you hook up this one? Right there. No, hook it right there. Put the pin into the end of this. Here. Push the pin in.
Go behind the big rock.
How come you won't let me? Because you weren't doing it first.
Very good. Then we make sure that the spacing is good. And then we clip. Clip.
Mel,
Clip.
is that
We
poison
clip.
ivy?
We put the clip.
You should eat it.
Clip.
This is my friend says that's about poison
Put
oak.
these clips. All the clips all around. And there's the inside of the can. And they said there's poison oak.
That's poison oak.
Who knows? Just don't touch it. Okay, now this big old thing.
Yeah, so let's put this rod in before
Okay.
we.
Okay, go.
What is
Where does it go?
I believe it goes
Oh, there it goes. Right there.
I'll get to the other side.
Okay, Jamie's going to the other side.
Is it through the other
It
end?
goes
It's
through the middle of the other side.
It's okay.
Okay.
No, leave it. It goes like that. It stays there.
And then you hook it up to that thing. Do you clip it? Do you click it right there?
I believe so.
Do you click it? It looks like it should. And then that one goes to the side. The teeny weeny little one. And it goes to the side fence.
I think that's how it
There.
goes. Go under?
So the front door gets a big pole. And the side door should go under the big pole, according to William.
Okay. Pop the hole. Alright, roof. Let's do the roof. Time to take parachute.
Don't you have to click it? I think you have to click the pole.
No, you need to adjust it later anyway.
Okay.
It never fits right.
Okay, then you put it on the top.
No. Parachute. Good job in in.
Everyone grab two ends. Someone go over there.
Okay. Look over this way. Start over.
I can't reach that far.
Wait,
You just hang on to it, Jamie. There it is.
Now what? Daddy found the big
Oh, there's a
rock.
little hole there, and that goes to the front of that funny little hole.
Why can't you just...
Okay, then we take the string and we hook it to somewhere.
This?
Oh, hook to the ring.
Just hook to the ring.
Even look, there's hope. Okay, take this thing and hook it to the ring, Jamie, down there.
This one?
Yep.
Wait, this thing?
Yep. Does it look kind of low?
This?
I think this is too far toward the front, this pole.
Oh, that's good.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's good.
I think it's too far to the front.
No.
There's the tent. Does that look right?
I can touch the ceiling. Dad, maybe this rock will work. It's big.
Is that about right?
Yeah.
Okay, good now. Say all done.
All done.